Hi guys, it's Colin again from GetJamaica.com with the second in our Jamaican Recipes Capital series. And of course, we want to tell you Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the third edition, downloadable version, as well as Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the hard copy, is available on Amazon.com or Barnes& and Noble or directly from our website. Just go there, look for any one of these images, and go ahead and click it. Now, of course, today we're looking on the authentic Jamaican jerk recipe. Now, of course, the authentic Jamaican jerk recipe is a delicious one, and the one that we're reviewing today is actually the Ocho Rios style jerk chicken recipe. Now, you're going to start out with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and, of course, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which are definitely totally different. You've got 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, finely diced. And when we say finely diced, we mean finely diced. You've got 1 garlic, also finely chopped, a pinch of salt and black pepper, 1 stalk of scallion, or what is known as green onions or scallions, well diced, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, and of course 4 chicken breasts that are halved, and of course that's the chicken matter for you. Now, what you're going to basically do is that in a shallow dish or a plastic bag, you're going to combine 3 tablespoons of water and all the ingredients with the exception of the chicken. Then, once you've done that, then you shake it up or stir it, mix it well together, then add the chicken. And then what you do is ensure that it's coated with that marinade. Cover the dish or seal the bag and marinate in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. Now, in the Montego Bay style jerk chicken, though you don't even use these particular ingredients, what you actually do is that you can allow it to marinate for just about an hour. But for the Ocho style jerk chicken, you've got to allow it to marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Then you prepare your outdoor grill or preheat your broiler. Remove the chicken from the marinade, pour the marinade in a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling or rollicking, then you turn it off and then you begin to broil or grill the chicken for 15 minutes. And of course, you've got to be turning it occasionally, right? And then keep on basting it frequently with the marinade that you have there, that you've prepared in that small saucepan. And then you continue doing that until the chicken is cooked through. And that, I can guarantee you, is probably one of the most tasty Ocho style jerk chicken or jerk chicken recipes on a whole that I've ever tasted, and it's done perfectly in Ocho Rios. We got this from one of the pan chicken men in Ocho Rios. Now, of course, Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the downloadable version, offers you over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes like this. It's downloadable in minutes. It has over 20 chapters of Jamaican dishes, 500 cooking tips and hints, 350 clickable terms in an index, and a built-in search function. And now, how cool is that? You've got recipes like ackee and saltfish, mackerel rundown and green banana, callaloo saltfish with boiled bananas, the famous and tasty red pea soup. You've got hundreds of techniques of making jerk chicken. You've got the famous jerk chicken pasta. You've got curry goat, or what is better known as curry mutton. You've got oxtail with beans. You've got jerk pork. You've got soup recipes like the Manish water, cake recipes like the Jamaican rum cake, drink recipes like the June plum drink. You've got tasty desserts like mango ice cream. And how much does it cost? $9.99. No, guys, come on, do the math. $9.99 for over 1,000 Jamaican recipes right at your very fingertips. It's a deal and a steal. Now, of course, where do you get it? You go to www.getjamaica.com, look for that image, that link that says Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, just $9.99. Go ahead, click on that link. It'll take you to the sale page, and in minutes you can start cooking up a storm. So, guys, till next time, we look forward to seeing you on our website or at least hear that you've been cooking up a Jamaican storm. So till next time, take care.